everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Nwafọ Igbo. I'm your lovely host, Ada Igwe Umore. In today's episode, we are exploring the vibrant and captivating Igbo culture. Originating from Nigeria, the Igbo people have a rich history, traditions, and customs that are truly fascinating to learn about. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to dive into things you should know about the Igbo culture. Before we explore the intricate details of the Igbo culture, let's begin by understanding its basic foundation. The Igbo people are one of Nigeria's largest ethnic groups within a population exceeding 30 million. They inhabit the southeastern region of Nigeria known as Igbo land. The name Igbo is derived from an ancient word meaning people who live close together. The Igbo cultural identity is defined by their language, which is also called Igbo, along with their unique worldview and beliefs. The Igbo language is as diverse as its people themselves, comprising numerous dialects spoken across various regions. However, despite these regional dialectical differences, they all share a common linguistic base. Moving further into our exploration of the Igbo culture brings us to their traditional attire. Igbo fashion involves vibrant colors and stunning patterns that reflect their rich heritage and sense of pride. Men often wear a top called an isiago, which is made of velvet fabric adorned with captivating embroidery designs representing various symbols or clans. Women traditionally wear beautiful wrappers known as George or Akwa Ocha, along with matching blouses and colorful coral beads around their necks and wrists. This display of elegance not only demonstrates beauty, but also represents social status during ceremonies and celebrations. Music and dance are a significant part of Igbo culture. The art of storytelling through song and dance is deeply embedded in their traditions. During special occasions, the mesmerizing sounds of traditional instruments like the ogene and ikoro fill the air as men, women, and children celebrate by moving rhythmically to these captivating beats. Religion plays a crucial role in the lives of the Igbo people. Traditionally, they practice a religion known as Odinana, which worships numerous deities or spirits called Alose. These spirits are believed to govern various aspects of life, such as fertility, agriculture, health, and more. Although influenced by Christianity and other religions over time, many still maintain their traditional practices alongside these modern belief systems. An interesting aspect of Igbo culture is their respect for nature and their connection to the environment around them. Agriculture has been an integral part of their identity for centuries, with farming being their primary occupation. The lush green landscape of Igbo land is not only beautiful, but also economically vital as it provides resources for sustenance and trade. Speaking of trade brings us to yet another fascinating aspect: economic systems within the Igbo culture. They have long been known for engaging in impressive trading activities both within Nigeria and beyond its borders. The famous Igbo market days draw traders from all walks of life who come together to exchange goods ranging from livestock to textiles, attracting people from different cultures who recognize the expertise and reputation that Igbos hold when it comes to commerce. Literature and proverbs form an essential part of preserving knowledge in Igbo culture. Their oral tradition passes down history, moral teachings, values, wisdom, and ancestral stories from one generation to the next. Proverbs, in particular, hold great significance and are often used as educational tools to impart life lessons. Whenever the elders gather, a proverb is never far away. as they say. Now, let's touch upon Igbo festivals and ceremonies. There's an abundance of vibrant celebrations throughout the year. One such festival is the New Yam Festival, or Iwaji. This grand celebration marks the arrival of a new harvest season and appreciates the earth goddess, Allah, for her bountiful blessings. It's a time filled with jubilation, cultural performances, masquerades, feasting on yam dishes, and communal gathering. Lastly, I'd love to highlight the strong emphasis placed on community within Igbo culture. The concept of Ndibo, meaning Igbo people, goes beyond blood relations. It encompasses shared values, support systems, and collective progress. From extended families living together in compounds known as Umunna, where every member contributes to building a harmonious environment, to village meetings called Obi, fostering unity remains at its core. And that concludes our enticing journey through the captivating Igbo culture. We have covered various aspects ranging from their language and attire to music and dance traditions, exploring everything from religious practices to economic systems, while also touching upon their love for literature and festivals. Join me next time when we dive into another vibrant culture, showcasing how our world truly connects through rich traditions. Until then, keep exploring the beauty of diversity around you.